I'm gonna show you 10 ways to what to do with modeling beads and Play-Doh. If you don't know what modeling beads are, it's this. Like modeling beads, and it's like this hard ball. Okay, so first, I'm gonna do 5 for the modeling beads and 5 for Play-Doh. So let's start out with Play-Doh. I'll come right back. Okay, so I'm gonna show you Play-Doh. I have orange, I have yellow. Yeah. I have another yellow, but these are 2 different yellows. Have the other yellow. I have green. I have blue. These are some really soft Play-Dohs. They're not hard like the usual ones, like the real one. Wait, because I have these kind, not that other kind. Purple. And I have red. So I have 7 Play-Dohs. 2, 4, 6, 7. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. 7 Play-Dohs. And that's 4. Now I'm going to show you the modeling beads, and then we're going to get started. Modeling beads are kind of crazy because, like, look, they have this little string like syrup. It has the little string like syrup. And okay, let's get started with Play-Doh. So with Play-Doh, you can mix it. I don't want to mix it. Or you can make it smell better. Okay? With some Febreze. And this is thing to do when you're bored, like you get really bored over the weekends. Okay, so I'm only going to do 3. Shake it. So I mix the it smells really good. Like, it depends what Febreze you use. Like, if you use like Febreze, well, it really doesn't matter what Febreze you use. It matters what fragrance you use. Like, if you use the powder, I think it'll smell better because this one smells like kind of poor. Like, this is bad. It's kind of good, but kind of bad. It's kind of good because I like the smell, but then it's kind of bad because now it smells good, but then it smells bad. I can't explain that. And now I'm doing the orange. Oh, so slimy now. Heads up, do not spray a lot of Febreze. Now it's all slimy. Unless you want to make slime. But I don't want to make slime. Balisha, Sakwisha. I don't know how to do that. Okay. So that's that. 4 more ways you could do this. So you could put it like this. And 3, so you can have that down. And you could do this. And you could kind of play cups. Or you could design it. Or you can make steps. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me buy you a drink. You could make that and one more. Get a plastic bag, flatten it, take out one of your Play-Dohs, flatten the Play-Doh, and then look at the bottom. Like, the bag has to be literally wrinkled. And then look at that. So that was 5, or maybe more than 5, or maybe less than 5. But yeah, whatever. I'm so sleepy today and so bored. Okay, 5 things you could do with these beads. You could do this, or you could like just get some Play-Doh, take some beads, and mix it. And you get these, like, you get this stuff from, like, I forgot what store I went to. You get these, like, Five Below or something. Or at Dollar Tree. And you get the Play-Doh, like, Walmart, Five Below, Dollar Tree. But this is crafting. You can mix it. You could throw it in the air. You could play with it, try to like make tiny balls and like try to make sushi. And you can make like take it out and act like it's like that stuff that's like roll it up into a really big ball and make truffles. You just need sticks to pull. Truffles. You need sticks to poke in it. So that's, I think, 10 ways to play with Play-Doh and modeling beads. So bye-bye. Have a good summer. Try not to get hurt and